The activity is electromagnetic crane. An electromagnet is a type of magnet in which the magnetic field is produced by an electric current. The electromagnet consists of an iron center with a conducting wire wound around it through which electric current flows. The electromagnetic crane works by using a magnetic field that is created by an electric current that can be turned off and on whenever it is necessary. The materials provided to perform the experiment are a procedure sheet, a board with required cuttings, a battery, straws, thread, bobbin, copper wire, sandpaper, connecting wires, nail, and iron pins. Now separate the parts from the board. Insert the nail through two square pieces. Wrap the copper wire around the nail. With the help of sandpaper, scrape the ends of copper wire. This helps to remove the insulation. Now join the items and prepare the base. Tie one end of the thread to the straw. Now wrap the thread around the straw. Fix the straw to the base. Take the other straw and fix it to the stand through bobbin. This bobbin acts like pulley. Now pass the thread over the bobbin. Tie the end of thread to the nail. Connect the battery to the ends of the copper wire. Keep the ball pins below the nail. Now slowly turn the straw to move the nail up and down. Observe the pins, they get attracted towards nail and stick to it. Can you guess why? The iron nail acts like a magnet now. So the ball pins get attracted towards it and stick to it. This is the principle on which electromagnetic crane works. Play and enjoy with your electromagnetic crane. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Thank you for watching.